Hi there, Trey Porter here. I want to briefly talk about DUI in Texas. A lot of people ask, what's the difference in DUI or DWI? I know these terms are used kind of interchangeably. In some states, like in my home state of Tennessee, what we consider a DWI here in Texas is actually called a DUI. And so it gets confusing for people, but here's the difference in Texas. DUI is for minors. DUI is driving under the influence. We have a zero tolerance policy in Texas for people who are under the age of 21 when it comes to operating a motor vehicle with alcohol in their system. So if you are arrested or cited for DUI in Texas, it's a very serious offense, but it's only a Class C misdemeanor. So it's critical to not just pay the fine, it's critical to get an attorney, get your questions answered, create a game plan, and get a dismissal. And then take the extra step of expunging it and getting it off your record. The last thing that a young person needs is to have a DUI on their record that they got and kind of hastily took care of when they were young, preventing them from opportunities when they get older down the road in life and in work and jobs. So it's very important to take them seriously. Now, another question is, some people ask, well, I am a minor, but I was charged with DWI. It works that way. In Texas, a prosecuting agency can charge you with DWI even if you are a minor at the time of arrest. And conversely, someone who is not a minor can never be charged with DUI. So it's a big nuance. There's a huge difference when it comes to punishment and when it comes to money associated with the fines. But the one thing that's the same about both charges is that if not handled correctly, they can result in a permanent criminal conviction, which can have just absolutely terrible consequences for your life, for your future, and for opportunities. So if you're charged with a DUI in Texas and you have a question about it, don't hesitate to reach out today, and we can put together a game plan to get a dismissal and to get it off your record and to get it back on track.